What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Akim Sterling here. So today I'm going to be checking out this Godox Magic XT1 microphone right here. Now Godox did send this out to me to do my testing and review of. Now everything in this video is my opinion. So it comes in this neat little carrying case right here by Godox branded on it right there. Also in the package we have some user manual in which you can go through right here. Alright guys, so these are all the things that come inside. We have 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, 3.5 TRS to TRS cable connector, 3.5 TRS to USB Type-C adapter, USB-A to USB-C data cable, 2 4-way windscreen, 2 magnetic back clip, we have 4 of them, storage bag, we have an instruction manual and an instruction card. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look now at the receiver right here. Now this right here is a touch screen, so you can always touch the screen to operate it. Now behind the back here is where we store the transmitter. Now there are 2 transmitter behind the back right here, and once it is inside the transmitter like this, it will automatically charge inside this receiver right here. You can see those little blue light flashing. That means that this right here is being charged. Now once it's charged, it will automatically turns off, but the battery on this is not full right now, but you can just flip this out like so and you can take out your receiver. Now once it comes out the case like this, you can see that green light right there. That means it automatically connects. Now if you're first time using, you might want to pair it first before we can begin to have it like this. And on it right there, you can see we have some volume level and thing right there. That means right here that this is actually receiving signal and it's being recorded. On the screen as well, you can see the battery percent, the receiver, and also of the mic, which I've been using right here. Now while it's not been used, you can see the screen like this, which is not connected to our receiver right now. Now on the side button right here, you can press this button to bring up the menu, or you can press these right here to navigate through the menu, or we can use the touch screen as well. Now we can press the button on the side right here to bring up the menu, and as you guys can see, that's the menu right there. So we have the DNR mode, we have the general right there, we have the pairing mode, which you can use to pair our receiver. So we have a lock that we can lock this right here. We have a mode, which also, these are the mode. We have the mono mode, we have the stereo mode, and also we have the safety mode right there. Then we can go back. So we have a volume right there. So we have a mute, we have a low cut. Now on low cut we can turn it on or off right there. This is just the menu of it right here. We can also toggle through, and we can also go back, and this is how it actually looks. Alright, so right now I'm testing out the microphone in the DNR mode off. So you can probably hear the fan blowing right now, and let me know if you guys still can hear the fan, all those noise in the background right here with the DNR mode off. So I'm going to turn on the DNR mode and let you guys know how it actually sound with the DNR mode on. So I'm recording again. The fan is still on right now, so let me know how it sound exactly right now with the DNR mode on. So DNR mode on right now, and this is just the sound quality of it right here. Let me know what you think about this audio quality right here. So right now I'm testing out the microphone with the low cut mode on. So let me know guys if how it sound with the low cut mode on right here. So this is my testing as well with the low cut mode off, DNR on. So you can also interchange it in different mode, different settings based on your likings. Alright guys, so I'm outside right now testing out this microphone right here. Now I'm using it in a situation like this, because I know most time whenever you use this type of lav mic, it's normal in a situation where you're not so close to the camera. So I'm at the camera right now, like arms length apart, and this is the sound quality of it right here. I'm not using a dead cat on it right now, the windscreen. So let me know. There's a little bit of breeze blowing, so let me know the condition of all this sound without the windscreen on. So I'm gonna put on the windscreen right now, and let's see if there's any difference in the sound quality. Alright, so now I have the windscreen on right now, and as you guys can actually see, a lot of breeze is blowing. I'm outside right here recording with this microphone right here. So let me know the sound quality and how this actually sound. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a range test as well I might go further from the camera. I'll let you guys see the range. Now the range on this is about like 200 meters. I'm not sure exactly, but from what I've heard on the internet, somewhere within that range. So I'm gonna do a test. I'm gonna go further from the camera and let you guys see the sound quality and let me know if you guys are hearing me. Alright guys, so I'm outside like this and I'm testing right now the range of this microphone right here. I'm gonna see how far I can walk out and the feel to test the range of this. So you guys can let me know if you guys are still hearing me. Back camera right now, and I'm also talking the signal mic cut off. So I'm out here and I'm going a bit further. Let you guys see. Alright guys, so right now I'm actually testing out the microphone inside the car like this. So if you happen to want to use this microphone whenever you're in your car and want to do those type of video like this inside your car, this is just the sound quality of it right here inside the car. I'm testing it out right now, hooked up to my camera, and you can see right there, pin right here to my shirt. I'm not using the windscreen on, and this is just the quality and how it actually sounds. So let me know if you guys think this is pretty decent quality right here, as I'm getting outside of this microphone right here inside my car right here. And let me know what you guys think of this sound quality as well right here if you want to do this type of shot. So guys, based on my testing of this microphone right here, I think that it's a great microphone to start out with if you're a person who's coming to content creation and just want a microphone to just capture some great audio quality. This is just a great microphone, even though this microphone still have some bit amount of limitation. One of the things that I'm also concerned about is the battery life and also the range of this right here. Now, when I was testing it outside, a few times the signal lost, and reason being, once you get disconnected from the microphone receiver, it will not so be able to connect back so easily once you go out of range. So please bear that in mind. Even when you turn your back to the camera, the signal might cut off even when you're at a far distance as well. So this is just a great microphone that you can use in a situation where you just want a laugh, a talking it like this. Great for those type of interviews and those things. So let me know what you think guys with this microphone right here. If it's a great cap, if you're really to start out your filmmaking journey or just for content creation, let me know what you think of this microphone right here. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.